All right, guys, I want to be bringing you these update videos whenever we get into a coin, and a coin that I'm super bullish on. So, for example, we're taking a look at QGG. Now, the reason I'm super bullish on this one, guys, is because of the tech that it involves and how much I feel people will actually use this tech to better their experience when it comes to trading meme coins. Now, if you are trading, don't forget, guys, it is now time to join Bullix Neo. If you want to join, get whitelisted. Link is down below, so you guys can get listed early. So, why are we bullish on this one? So, QGG is basically a platform that will allow you guys to see stuff like you've never seen it before. So we go to the X account here for that following account, which is the Quantify account. You're gonna notice that their main thing is says they want to explore new ways to visualize the blockchain. And how does that work? Well, let's go to the website and kind of give you guys an overview of how this works. So this is the website. This is the landing page of the actual website. And the way this works is you'll be able to see other coins. If you learned how to understand the meta, you could identify tokens and also wallets that are connected to one another, right? So for example, if you look at this one, we're going to click here. We're going to go copy. We're going to paste this here. So this is pretty much like, AI meta that we're looking here. So we're going to add this, and this is going to create a big cluster. So this big cluster is all these top holder wallets, right? That we're able to see. But what I want to know is how many of these top holders are also in other AI coins that could give me a better idea of how well this project will do and how much like solid floor it will have. So let's go to our watch list and pull up a little bit of the, for example, this one right here. Let's pull a little bit of our, AI tokens here. So let's go ahead and copy that. Let's go copy that. We're going to paste that. All right. So now it's going to give us another example. So it's, all right. So now that we see, okay, you know what? There is a total of three basically wallets that hold Cerebro also hold QRC. So we're getting a pretty good example. All right. So the next one, let's pull up another one. Let's go to another really good one that we have, Mems AI here. So we're going to copy this one. We're going to go here. I'm going to paste that. And we're going to be like, okay, so now this is looking a little bit more interesting because now we know that there are multiple wallets that are also holding this particular coin, that are also holding Cerebro, that are also holding MMIs. Now, the other thing I want to know is I want to see like the top G, right? The top one, which is Goat. I want to see if anybody that owns Goat is actually holding this, right? So let's go here to Goat. Let's go Goat. All right, let's go Goat here. And let's pull this up. And look, go be balling. All right, so let's go here, paste this right here. And now we have Go, Mamsao, Cerebro, and also Q, right? So what we want to see is like, okay, so how is this all going? So as you see right here, we're noticing a couple things here, right? We're noticing a couple trends. So people that own Go, a lot of these people also own Cerebro, also own Mems AI. But a couple of the people that own Goat, no one's buying into QGG at the current moment. But we do know that people that have Cerebro are actually buying into this one, and we also are able to determine, okay, well that makes a little bit more sense now, because now I'm able to identify, okay, you know what, I want to see this wallet that is connected to, for example, this one right here is connected to Goat, and it's also connected to this one. So I want to see what that wallet looks like. So what you do is you click on it, it's going to take you to a Soul Scan, and you'll be able to see the actual wallet that holds these tokens, and you'll be able to see, okay, well, this coin, this person owns Cerebro. It owns actually a lot of Cerebro. It owns Fart Coin, Goatsy. It pretty much owns all the big AI coins, right? So now that it has almost every single AI coin here. So now you're able to see like, okay, cool. It even owns the new Chinese terminal one, which is actually a pretty smart move there. So as you see, this is a very healthy wallet, and that's pretty much buying a lot of AI. So you can literally track this, and this is a really good way to see the on-chain data visually, so you guys know exactly what's happening. And as you know, people are buying into this coin, this demograph, or your token, or kind of like sphere, kind of like slash bubble map, distribution here, will be able to get analyzed a little bit better. So that is the reason I'm super bullish on this one. I feel like it's going to do very, very well. But let me know if you guys are in. If you're not in, what do you think of this type of technology? Do you like the fact that, little by little, we're getting more tokens like that are a little bit more beneficial and more user friendly? And I like visually. I think when things get visual, like when you're able to do stuff visually, it makes it a lot more easier for other people to kind of understand it. So let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys on the next one and talk to you guys later.